Looking for great value and performance in a vacuum? Then look no further than the Kenmore Pop and Go Bagged Canister Vacuum. Reviewed.com says there's no better vacuum for the money. Its dual motor system creates a strong suction that traps dirt, debris, and the most stubborn pet hair. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your home. With the Pop and Go floor brush, you can seamlessly switch from carpet to hardwood in seconds. The telescoping wand and onboard attachments mean you always have the right tools at your fingertips for the task at hand. The wand suction control handle can adjust for molding and drapery. Stubborn pet hair is no match for the Pet Power Mate. This powerful motorized tool easily lifts away pet hair from furniture. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen, while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. Once chores are finished, the automatic cord rewind and compact design makes stowaway quick and easy. Amazing power, convenience, and value. The Kenmore Pop and Go Bagged Canister Vacuum. Kenmore, be amazing.